Man, these cruise ships are pretty ridiculous. It's got a water slide park on the top. Awesome day here in Nassau though. All right, so we successfully made it to Nassau. Parking this big ass boat was challenging, to say the least. So, gotta go check in at the marina, and then we're gonna go. Are we getting margaritas?
Hell yeah.
Let's do it.
Pina colada.
Pina coladas. Okay, that's the dream right there. 2 jet skis. Awesome. So we are, I guess, downtown Atlantis, kind of, on the Paradise Island part of Nassau. And holy smokes, look at these yachts. This is incredible. Whew. Man, gorgeous. Oh yeah. Man, these yachts are incredible. Hundreds of millions of dollars. All right, so we made it to Nassau. We're at Margaritaville.
127.
We anchored at Bay Street Marina first, and then found out Margaritaville was on the other side, so we had to come over here and pull to your side. But we are here. We parked right out there, and margarita time. We can come into Paradise Island. We can bring our boat in here just to like look around. This is gorgeous, really pretty. It's really quiet too. Like, I'm kind of surprised. Like, there's not that many tourists around here. Ooh, I like that boat with all the wood. That looks pretty rad.
Yeah, that's classy.
That's a really classy looking boat. These yachts are impressive. Watching them park them is really incredible. I mean, these spots aren't like super big, and they just, I mean, they have thrusters and stuff on the sides to maneuver the, you know, the boat pretty easily, but still pretty impressive to watch them park them. And this is the Atlantis Hotel.